Alright, hey guys, welcome back to Detailing with Chad. In this video, we're going to do some tire cleaner comparison. They're actually, all three of them are wheel and tire cleaner, but we're going to focus mainly on the tires. We have Suds Lab Zero Acid Wheel Cleaner, Chemical Guys Diablo Wheel Cleaner for all wheel and tire types. And we have Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner all-in-one formula. All three of them are for wheels and tires. All three of them you can get at Walmart or AutoZone or any of your old local places. All three of them cost roughly the same amount, between $11 to $13. The Adams and Chemical Guys are 16 ounces. The Suds Lab is 32 ounces. So with the Suds Lab, you get more for your money, but does it perform as well, or do you have to use twice as much to get the same results? I will say that, in my opinion, the Adams is the best out of all three, then Suds Lab, then Chemical Guys, but I've never done a side-by-side comparison. So that's what we're going to do today. So that being said, let's get into the video and I'll see you at the car. Okay, so we got our first tire here. See how brown it is. We're going to use the Chemical Guys on this. Directions for the Chemical Guys. Do not apply this product to hot wheels. Clean one wheel and tire at a time. Pre-rinse wheels with sharp stream of cool water to remove loose dirt and soft and tough grime. Shake well, then spray wheel cleaner on wheels, tires, brakes, and suspension components. Let sit to break down grime, but no more than several minutes. Do not allow product to dry on surface. If heavily solid, use brush to gently agitate dirt and grime. Rinse away filth with sharp stream of water and dry with a clean microfiber towel. All right, so we're going to shake it up. It says to pre-rinse it, so that's what we're going to do. All right, now like I said, we're going to mainly focus on tires. You'll see, even though I got it on spray, it's going to come out in a stream. Now we'll come back to this when they dry. We'll see what the tires look like. Now front passenger, Chemical Guys, and rear passenger will be Suds Lab. Okay, always shake your products. It says you can dilute up to 4:1. Spray directly on cooled rims and tires. Allow product to sit for 30 seconds. Then rinse with clean water. Do not apply to hot rims. Do not spray on uncoated aluminum or anodized wheels. Do not let XA dry on wheel surface. Alright, so we're just going to spray this. Now you have an adjustable nozzle. Says use at full strength for tough caked on brake dust. It does not say whether to pre-rinse or not. Nope. Don't say whether pre-rinse or not, but we're going to, since we did it with the other one. just gonna spray it on here. Let it sit for a minute. Okay, so it's been about 45 seconds. And yes, I've cleaned out all my brushes off camera. Spray some on the brush. Now, you're going to see browning, but the chemical itself is brown. You don't really get a browning with the chemical, guys, either. Alright, now we'll go to the other side and we will use some Adams. Alright, the Adams. Let's take a look at it. Let's see. Safe on painted, powder coated, clear coated, and chrome wheels. High sudsing formula visually lifts dirt and grime from the surface. Breaks down brake dust, road grime, and dirt on wheels. Immediately breaks down harsh tire blooming and dressing on contact. Clean one wheel and tire at a time. Rinse wheels and tires thoroughly with a strong blast from the hose. Spray the tire sidewall and wheel surface liberally with Adams all-in-one wheel and tire cleaner. Scrub the tire sidewall with Adams tire brush and wheel surfaces with Adams wheel brush and barrel brush. Do not allow product to dry onto any surface of the wheel. Rinse thoroughly with a strong blast from the hose. Allow the air dry or dry with Adams Cannon. Normally Adams has the common sense. Yep. Common sense warning, only clean wheels when they are cool to the touch. This is a heavy duty wheel and tire cleaner. If you are using this product for the first time, make sure to test in areas first to ensure no unusual reactions or results occur. Avoid getting this product on raw, anodized, or polished aluminum wheels as it can cause hazing, cloudiness, or staining. Out of these that I've used, because I've used all these already, this is absolutely my favorite. This stuff is amazing. But I've never done a side-by-side comparison, so that's what we're going to do today. And this does not take very much. Okay, so we'll let these dry. I'm going to give the rest of the vehicle a quick bath. And after these get all dry, before I put dressing on them, I will show you guys the results. Adams on driver front, Chemical Guys on passenger front, and Suds Lab be on both back tires. That being said, I'm going to pause this and I'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so it's the next day. It's raining out, of course. So taking out and showing you in the sun what these tires look like is a no-go today. But I have to return a vehicle today. So I got some lighting set up, the best I can do in the garage, and go from there. Okay, this is Chemical Guys. As you can see, tire's pretty clean. That is exactly what you want to see. Now, I feel like the Chemical Guys works really well. I really hate how you can't spray it. Just it's too thick. It comes out in a stream. This is Suds Lab. Worked okay. This tire is shinier. It's not as dull looking.
What are you doing?
Okay, on this side, the rear tire is Suds Lab 2. And you can see, that's about the best view as I can get, is the Suds Lab it's shinier. To take off all the old crap, it looks like it, but it is definitely a little bit shinier. It's not as dulled out as what the Chemical Guys and Adams did. This is the Adams, which, in my opinion, it's just has a beautifully clean tire. Now I did drive it through the driveway to get it into the garage, so it's a little dusty, but okay. So between the three, me personally, you can't go wrong with the Adams. The Suds Lab, it did a good job. I just feel like it takes more product to do the same amount of work as what the Adams does. This is 2 cars. Well, 1.5 cars, I guess. This I've done, I don't know, 5, 6 cars. This, I just use it every once in a while just to play with it. It's a really good tire cleaner, but I hate if you get it to spray, it would work pretty well. It does pretty good on brake dust, but so does the Adams. I don't know. If you want more for your money, get Suds Lab. Me personally, I'll be sticking with Adams wheel and tire cleaner. I absolutely love this stuff. You get the browning when you're cleaning it. You get the whole 9 yards. So, in my opinion, an Adams wins. But really, it's up to your preference. That's kind of what this video is about. You know, we're going to keep it local. We're going to keep it with all store-bought stuff. And if you want more for your money, go with Suds Lab. If you got really nice tires and you like to keep them clean and keep them coated, go with the Adams. You can't go wrong with it. So that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. And please hit the like button, the subscribe button, turn them noties on if you want to see more. So we're going to be doing a lot of local bought products is basically what this channel is going to be about. So we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.